welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk, brought to you by Springpath. We're at the 2015 VMworld exhibit, and here I'm hanging out with Gil Haberman. Gil, how you doing?
Great. Really exciting to be here. A lot of action. Really happy that we're here for the first time.
All right, I was just going to say, you guys have been around since 2012, and this is your first time at VMworld, so I mean, why all of a sudden you guys came out? What's going on?
Yeah, we've been working really hard. We've been writing a file system from scratch, specifically designed for hyperconvergence. So it took a while. The outcome is that it's great for customers, but only earlier this year we came out of stealth. And so this is the first time we're at VMworld, and there's a lot of interest, so it's really exciting.
Yeah, I actually overheard that in the past 2 days, your booth was completely packed. I mean, all the seats were taken, and there were still people around your booth.
Yes, this is probably the first year that people are really looking into adopting hyperconvergence, and our motto is delivering hyperconvergence software. So you basically buy servers of your choice and then deploy our solution, which is very intuitive for customers. So there was a lot of interest in our booth presentation. So it was packed. We did, instead of doing it once every half hour, did it back to back. And there's a lot of follow-ups for us, a lot of partner interest, a lot of strategic partner interest. Really exciting.
And why do you think people are, getting hooked on Springpath?
Yeah, so basically first, as I said before, we provide hyperconvergence software, so it's really easy to deploy our solution on servers that people are used to buying from the servers of their that are already in their data centers. And what it basically means, since we provide this file system from scratch, is that all the advanced services like inline dedupe, inline compression, clones, snapshots are all space efficient, very intuitive and easy to do from vCenter, and it basically means that for customers it's easy to adopt and very easy to scale. So there's a lot of interest from both customers and partners.
All right. And how is Springpath fitting into the VMworld community?
So when you look at VMworld, it's really important for customers to easily transfer the skills that they have from adopting virtualization and extending it to other parts of the data center. So what we basically allow to do is continue using vCenter, but now control both compute and storage at the same time. The other portion is that because we provide a software solution, it's really easy to scale, what we call adaptive scaling. You can now add components into storage components into nodes, or scale compute-only nodes by adding blades. So now, since it fits very well within their vCenter and very easy to scale up and down, it means that customers who are used to VMware virtualization can really easily transfer and adopt hyperconvergence.
All right. And what is the future of Springpath? I mean, we just said this is your first time here at VMworld, so what's going to happen with you guys? What can we expect?
Yeah, it's really exciting. So we're building a lot of relationships, both with channel and strategic. With channel, it basically means that we're going to get to customers faster because we see very strong demand from customers to adopt now. Last year, it was kind of trying to understand what's happening with hyperconvergence. This year, a lot of interest in adopting. So we're working with channel partners, and also server vendors and other partners are looking into having some kind of partners to drive hyperconvergence adoption. And so we're talking to a lot of server vendors to go to market together and deliver a very simple to deploy and very robust hyperconvergence solution.
Well, thank you very much, Gil. And I actually wanted to thank Springpath for sponsoring Trilogy Tech Talk. So thank you.
Thanks for being
here. This is awesome. All right. Well, thank you very much, Gil. Good luck with the rest of the show.